This is currently a $227 million project. It is the largest active construction project currently in the state of Ohio.
I-480's pair of bridges crossing Valley View are vital to the region's transportation network, with 180,000 vehicles crossing it each day. To alleviate congestion, the pair of bridges will become a trio.
Constructing a new bridge in the middle of them presented a bit of a challenge, just trying to make sure we're accommodating the existing traffic still here. So you'll see behind me we've got these gantry cranes set up.
To make the project work, a unique triple gantry crane system was installed. It uses a rail system supported by the existing bridges to move materials across the near mile-long space, 200 feet in the air, with lasers to keep the cranes in sync. The most impressive move, girders the length of a football field.
They'll be setting some girders that are approximately 300 feet in length and weigh 250,000 pounds.
The gantry system moves them with ease, while local iron workers secure them to the concrete pillars. On the east end, where work started first, they've already added steel decking and rebar for concrete work to begin. The project is a long one and will require a number of traffic pattern changes over the years.
Substantial completion, meaning that you won't see as many workers out here, will be late 2023.
But in the end, your drive down I-480 should be less congested and a little easier to navigate near the cloverleaf.
There'll be 3 bridges total and 6 lanes in each direction.